Indonesia and a country in the Latin America region. This agreement reflects the forward-looking nature of our friendship partnership, which is increasingly strategic, dynamic, and mutually beneficial. However, beyond trade and policy frameworks, what truly strengthens our relation is the human dimension. Cultural diplomacy, academic collaboration, tourism, and the growing presence of Indonesian diaspora in Chile have brought our societies closer. Chilean students learn the language of Bahasa Indonesia and the traditional musical instrument gamelan. Indonesian dances presented in Chilean festival. Academics and researchers collaborate or share priorities from marine science to renewable energy. This interaction reminds us that diplomacy is not just about negotiations. It's also about fostering understanding and empathy between peoples. The 16th anniversary is not only a moment of reflection, but also an opportunity to envision the next chapter of our partnership. This moment calls for deeper cooperation in digital innovation, green energy, education, creative industry, all areas where both Indonesia and Chile have strong potential to collaborate. Indonesia and Chile as two vibrant democracies and gateways to Southeast Asia and South America are well positioned to contribute jointly to shaping a more inclusive, sustainable, and interconnected future.